Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Today I'm heading out the door to drop off one of my prints, my alcohol prints, at the most fabulous store in Cape Charles. It's important to wrap your art in some kind of protective layer to make sure it arrives to the store looking perfect. So here we are heading down the streets of Cape Charles to wonderful Table Tonic. This is a great store. It has everything related to things on the table or things that you drink. I'm lucky that she loved my framed art so much she put it in a very prominent spot near the register at the front of the store, so a lot of people get to see it. It's wonderful exposure. I have a video below that'll teach you how to write a vendor's invoice if you get your art in a store. It's pretty easy. Thank you for watching, and head over to my website, yellow.artist.com.